If you're struggling with hair breakage, scalp issues, or just want that hair to start growing fast, you're going to love this. Today, I'll be showing you 2 powerful ways to use papaya leaves to transform your hair naturally. So stick around because this green leaf might just become your new favorite. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before we dive into the video, let's talk about why papaya leaves is so amazing for your hair. Papaya leaves are rich in vitamin A, C and A, which nourishes the scalp and boosts blood circulation. Papaya leaves contains natural enzymes that cleanses the scalp, unclog follicles and promote faster hair growth. It's also antifungal and antimicrobial. So if you're struggling with dandruff or itchy scalp, papaya leaf can help sort and heal. And if you also want to darken your hair, when you keep using this, over time your hair will get darkened. To prepare this hair treatment, you have to get a fresh papaya leaf. Pluck fresh papaya leaf from the tree. After getting it, you want to go ahead and wash it thoroughly. These leaves can be dirty sometimes, so wash it thoroughly in a clean water. After washing, go ahead to cut the leaves into chunky sizes because this will help the blender to blend it properly without any stress. After that, put them into the blender and blend to paste. So just in case you've not liked the video yet, please do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more natural hair care remedies like this. So here we are done with our blending and this is what we have. So to prepare our first treatment, we are going to be straining this out to get the juice out from these pulps, because that is what we'll be using for our first hair treatment. So before I forget, in preparing this treatment, after preparing it, this first treatment, you want to use it that same day. You want to use it immediately. You cannot store this even in the fridge because it's going to go bad. So whenever you want to use this treatment, you have to make sure you be using it immediately or the same day. Don't leave this overnight because it will definitely go bad. Just take a look at this. This right here is gold. Like it's so great for your hair. It's packed with lots of nutrients. It's looking so nutritious. I even feel like drinking it. Of course, yes, you can drink papaya water, papaya juice, papaya leaf juice. I think it helps treat some, you can make research about that. It helps treat some illness when you drink it, when you take it orally. Squeezing to get all the juice out because I don't want to leave any nutrients behind. So for this treatment, you can incorporate it into your hair routine. You can use it like once in a month for more effectiveness. So after squeezing out all the purple leaf juice, I added some natural organic honey. Honey is great for your hair. It's good for dry hair. It's good for your scalp health, and it also helps in preventing breakage. After that, I added a little amount of my DIY hair oil. You can use any hair oil. Then I gave that a very good mix. And I'll be showing you how I apply this on my hair, how you apply it for it to be effective as well. After mixing, you can pour it into any container you'll be using for the application. For me, I'm pouring it into my applicator bottle because that's what I'll be using to apply this on my hair. So this treatment is to be applied on a clean hair. You apply it to all your hair on your scalp, all over your hair. Here I've already washed my hair. My hair is clean, so I went ahead to apply this all over my hair. And after applying, you want to massage your hair, massage your scalp, squeeze it into your strands properly. Make sure that your hair is well saturated with this treatment. And after that, you're going to put on your shower cap or a nylon, that is a leather, just to attract heat on your scalp. And we carry it. I carried mine for about 15 minutes. You can carry it about 15 to 30 minutes. Then you will rinse it out with normal water. And that's it for the first method. So the second method is even more simple and very effective. And the good thing is that you can use the two methods at once. So after I blended the papaya leaf in the blender, I scooped out a little amount and set it aside that I'll be using for this second method. So inside this, I'll be adding some oil. I added some of my DIY oil because inside this oil I already have different types of oil. So you can add any oil of your choice. You can add in coconut oil, you can add in almond oil, you can add in olive oil, you can add in any oil and essential oils that you want. So I covered it up with these oils and I mixed it properly. So we are going to be using the double boiling method to bring this to boil. Into a pot, add water and then place this mixture in it and allow it to boil. I boiled for about 45 minutes because I wanted the nutrients to infuse into the oil properly. And here you can see that the stuff is ready. You can see the pulps are no longer that greenish and the color of my oil even changed. So that's when you know that it's ready. If you be boiling this directly, that is, if you're not going to be using the double boiling method, you want to boil for about 10 minutes because you don't want it to get burnt. I have to stir it consistently. So it's time to strain out our oil. Use a good cheesecloth so that you don't have some particles in your oil. Me, after straining, I had some particles at the bottom of my oil. So you want to use a good cheesecloth so that it can strain it properly. So this is the oil that we have. This oil, you can use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Apply it to your scalp and don't forget to massage. You can also apply it to your hair. And after straining, here is how our oil is looking. Pour this into a container and close it properly. This won't go bad. This will last you for a very long time. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Bye. See you in my next video.